I was called to diagnose this vehicle and it is not starting. This is it's not starting. When I came, they've taken out the control board, so I fit it back in, and this car was not starting. So you can see anytime I open, everything is on, but you crank and it will not start. You turn it off, crank, and it will not start. So what I did was they actually called for a control board for the client to change. So the client bought the control board and called me to come and program it. So when I came, I asked them to give me the old control board, and I placed it back just to monitor one or two things. So what I'll do now is I'll connect my diagnosing machine, my VCI to the. So I'll connect my VCI to the car and try again and start the vehicle. So just the VCI that I connected. So try again and start the vehicle. And you can see now the vehicle is running. So you can see now the vehicle is running. You can see it is running now. So it is a ground issue, and I'm suspecting maybe they've taken out some ground. So with this issue like this, I can take the sensor, the device out, the VCI out. The moment I take it out, the engine goes off. But I had a wire here, so I will jump the sensor ground, which is pin 4 and pin 5. Pin 4 is the chassis ground, and pin 5 is the sensor ground. So I'll jump those two wires and start. This is how I've jumped the wires. So now I'll try and start the vehicle again, and you can see it's running, and the fuel pump, I think maybe because of ground issue, and you can see the vehicle is running. So you can see the vehicle is running now. The temperature gauge is not working, and because I've jumped pin 4 and pin 5, the moment I take it out, the vehicle goes off and everything is off. So I'll check the ground around the vehicle and see which one is the fault. So I took this connector out so that I'll jump the pin 4 and pin 5. This car has power and ground, and this one is a key line. So I took only these ones so that I can communicate to the ECM. So I took this thing out so that the client can drive it this way to the shop, so that I can work on it at the shop for him. And now the vehicle is running. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.